Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If websites feel slow to load on your Android phone or Chrome just doesn't seem as fast as it used to, there are a few settings you should check. In this video, I'll show you several simple tweaks that can help improve your browsing experience, reduce unnecessary background activity, and make Chrome feel faster and more responsive. These settings only take a couple of minutes to change, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and open Privacy and Security. Then scroll down. The first setting I want to show you is Use Secure DNS. Open it. If you're using the default setting, you can switch to a trusted DNS provider such as Cloudflare. Cloudflare is known for having fast and reliable DNS servers, which may help websites start loading a little faster depending on your network and location. Keep in mind that changing your DNS won't increase the speed provided by your internet service provider, but it can reduce the time it takes to look up website addresses, making browsing feel more responsive. Now go back to home screen and then open phone setting, then scroll down and tap on Google, then go to All Services tab, then scroll down, and you will see Ads option in Privacy and Security section. Tap on it, then tap on Ads Privacy. Inside, you'll find several ad personalization settings. If you don't use personalized advertising, you can turn these options off. Disabling them may reduce some background activity related to advertising and improve your privacy. It won't dramatically increase your internet speed, but many users prefer to disable these features for a cleaner browsing experience. After turning them off, go back. Now, let me show you another thing that many people overlook. Open Chrome app and look at the tab counter in the top right corner of Chrome. Some people have hundreds of tabs open without even realizing it. Every open tab uses memory, and while Chrome automatically puts inactive tabs to sleep, having a huge number of tabs can still make the browser feel slower, especially on older phones with limited RAM. If you have dozens or even hundreds of tabs open, take a few minutes to close the ones you no longer need. Keeping only the tabs you actually use helps Chrome stay more organized and can improve overall performance. There's one more quick tip. Every so often, it's a good idea to clear Chrome's cache. Go to your phone's settings, open apps, then find Chrome. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that build up over time without deleting your bookmarks, saved passwords, or browsing history. These simple maintenance steps can help Chrome run more smoothly and make your browsing experience feel faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips, privacy guides, and useful hidden settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.